Hey, welcome. Welcome to another Math Morass video where we talk about math and more math and everything in between math. All right. Well, today, according to the comments, some of you students have been writing on my videos. Some students are interested in learning how to convert a fraction into a decimal. Once again, how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So that is our topic today, okay? How to convert a fraction into a decimal. Okay? All right. So let's say, for example, I give you the problem 1/5, this fraction right here. 1/5. I need for this fraction to be converted into a decimal. How do we do it? It's very, very simple, very basic. Pay attention. The first thing we're supposed to do is divide the top number with the bottom number. Divide the numerator with the denominator. All right? So we start dividing. We say 1 divided by 5. Okay, so then we say, how many times does 5 go into 1? 0. It cannot go in there. We added a decimal. We multiply 0 times 5 is 0. Then you subtract. It's 1 and you add a 0 right here. Okay, we're going to add this decimal up here. How many times does 5 go into 10? 2 times. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. You subtract and it's 0. And that's it. Once you get to 0, this is our answer right here. So it'll be 1/5 equals to 0.2 of a decimal. All right, very, very simple. Let's go on to our next problem. And another example would be 3/4. If I give you the fraction 3/4, I need for you to convert it into a decimal. Once again, place the numerator inside the little house, the numerator, and the denominator outside. And we start dividing. How many times does 4 go into 3? 0, because 4 is bigger than 3. We place a decimal up period, a point, decimal there, and decimal up here. 0 times 4 is what? 0. You bring down the 3. 3 minus 0 is 3, then you add a 0, and you say, how many times does 4 go into 30? Well, 4 goes into 37 times because 4 times 7 is 28. So we say, okay, it goes 7 times. Okay? 7 times 4 is 28. And we subtract. What's 30 minus 28 is 2. And we add another 0. Okay? How many times does 4 go into 20? Very good. 5 times. I heard someone out there say 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract 20 minus 20, 0. Once you get to 0, that's the answer. So our decimal answer to the fraction 3/4 is 0.75. Okay? Are there any questions so far? All right. So basically what we are saying is that if I have 4 quarters, quarter number 1, 25 cents, quarter number 2, 25 cents, quarter number 3, 25 cents, and quarter number 4, 25 cents, I have $1. So 3/4 out of 4, 3 out of 4 make up 75 cents. 25, 50, 75. Good. Let's go on to the next one. What if I say 2/5? If I give you the fraction 2/5, give me the decimal point for 2/5. Well, again, we make this little house, and we put in, inside the little house, we put in the numerator, the one on top, the 2, and the 5, the denominator, the one in the down, the bottom on the outside. And we say, how many times does 5 go into 2? 0 times. We place the decimal immediately. Okay? 0 times 5 is 0. Then you subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. Then you add a 0. Okay? How many times does 5 go into 20? 3 times? No, because 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times? Let's see, 4 times 5 is 20. Yes, so 4. 4 times 5 is 20. You subtract, once you get to 0, that's the answer. So our answer would be 0.4 of a decimal. It's 2/5. Okay? Let's go on to another problem. Let's see, I'm going to give you this problem, and after I write down the problem, you pause the video and work it out, and then we'll work it out at the end. 8/3. Okay, at this time, go ahead and pause the video. Don't forget to make the little house, okay? Don't forget to make the little house. Make the little house and place the numerator inside the house and the denominator outside. So go ahead and pause the video and start working out the problem. Okay, are we back? We're back. Okay, so let's find out what's our answer. How many times does 3 go into 8? Well, it goes 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. And we place a 0. So we place a decimal right here. Okay? So how many times does 3 go into 20? 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 20 is 2. We place another 0. How many times does 3 go into 20? 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. You notice how it's going to continue? So our answer will be 8/3 into a decimal is 2.66, and it continues. All right? That's our correct answer. If you got 2.66, that is correct. All right. That's it for today. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so other students can benefit. All right? Until next time, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.